Hello friends, you can log on to primeaptacademy.com to access complete free video courses. So this is the 87th question of the geometry chapter. The question says, a solid sphere is cut into two parts such that the total surface area of two parts combined is 25% more than the total surface area of the original sphere. Find the ratio of the radius of the sphere to the height from the center of the sphere where the cut was made. Okay. So this is a sphere here. Now a cut is made at some height. Okay, let's say it is cut here. So from the radius, this is the height h. So what do I get if the cut is made here? I will get like this kind of a disc here at the top, and then the other part will be the other remaining of the sphere. So it goes like this at the bottom. Okay, so this is basically, you make a cut like this, you get two pieces like this. Now it says the total surface area of these two pieces is 25% more than this. So now if you look at it, what have you created? If you cut this, you create these two surfaces. These two surfaces. Okay, this is what you create. All right. So, and let this, the radius of this surface be small r. So if radius of this surface is small r, assume the radius of the original sphere to be capital R. So if I do like this, this is capital R here. So one thing I get from this right angle triangle is capital R square is equal to s small h square plus r square. This is what I get. Okay. Also, the surface area that is added will be this pi into small r square plus this pi into small r square. This is the new surface area that is created. Okay, because the entire curved surface area will be same. If you join these two parts, you will get the same sphere. Okay, so the entire curved surface area is same. When you have cut it in between, these are the two circles that you get as the new surfaces, and each of them has area of pi r square. So you increase the surface area by how much? Pi r square plus pi r square. So surface area is increased by 2 pi r square. In terms of percentage, it is given to be 25%. Okay. So the original surface area was how much for a sphere? It is 4 pi capital R square. That was 4 pi capital R square. So 2 pi R square upon 4 pi capital R square should into 100 should be equal to 25, because it is 25% more. Okay. So from here, what do I get? This 25 goes 1, and this is 4 is 100. This 4 goes and this 4 goes. So what I get is 2 pi small r square is equal to, overhead has become 1, and it is equal to pi into capital R square. So this is what I gotten. 2 pi small r square is equal to pi into capital R square. So 2 goes away. So capital R square is equal to 2 small r square. So capital R square is 2 into small r square. Now I have capital R square here in this equation. So now what I'll write, I have this equation. Also I have concluded that capital R square is 2 into small r square. What do I have to find now? Find the ratio of the radius of the sphere to the height from which. So r upon radius of the sphere. So capital R upon h we have to find. Find the ratio of the radius of the sphere to the height from the center. Okay, so we have to find the, just a second, one more find, the ratio of the radius of the sphere to the height of the sphere. So radius of the sphere to the height of the sphere means capital R upon h we have to find. So small r square from here, I can write it as capital R square upon 2. So I will plug that as small r square. So this becomes capital R square is equal to h square plus small r square is capital R square upon 2. Okay, so from here what do I get? That capital R square by 2, this comes on this side. So r square minus r square by 2 is r square by 2. Let me write it in separately on the other line. R square upon 2 is equal to h square, or what you get is r square upon h square. R square upon h square is equal to 2 upon 1. So r square by h square is 2 by 1. So r upon h will be under root 2 upon 1. R and h both are positive. So you just take the positive square roots. So r upon h is root 2 by 1. So the ratio over here will be root 2 is to 1. So root 2 is to 1 is the right answer. That is the ratio. Okay.